Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hey, I'm Tim.
And I'm Connie.
This is our bus in Holmes called Momo. And we want to show everybody a quick view inside and see where we live and how we like to enjoy life.
Come on inside.
No, go ahead.
So yeah, this is our interior. We did all the floors with cedar wood and left our live edges on it. So
That must have been fun matching up.
Yeah, you know, I cheated or made it easy, I guess, if you will. I just laid one over the other and drew a quick line and cut it out with a jigsaw.
Sure.
So it fit in nicely. But yeah, it was a little tedious, but we enjoyed it, and that's what really matters. And then we got some nice ceilings out of cedar as well. And yeah, just trying to throw a lot of wood in here and make it feel really relaxing and homey.
I'm a big fan of wood. Everything in my bus is wood.
Nice.
Yeah. Somebody asked me, told me I should. When are you going to paint it? But I'm never going to paint it. On the inside, no.
Yeah.
So.
Right. So yeah, we've been living in this for about maybe 8 or 10 months, somewhere around there, I think, and kind of got it to where it was livable enough to function and have everything, all of our necessities, and then we kind of just hit the road and
been working on it as we've been going.
Yeah, as we travel, getting it done, and just enjoying life, making it something that's pleasurable, not just work, you know.
Sure.
But yeah, under here we have some storage under our couch, and that pops up.
This is extra counter space, or it can go down for more room for our daughter to play.
So we wanted to leave a open feel to our bus with the side door and kind of have room for people to come sit and know that it's kind of an invitation to come hang out if it's all opened up, you know.
Sure.
So, and then when we don't have that, or we need a more space to cook and stuff, we just lift this part up.
We eat here too.
We eat here around the edges and stuff.
And that's our control panel down there.
Yeah,
and
I got my
circuit breaker.
My DC power here, and then my AC for some of my outlets and such.
Right.
Just all kind of tucked away there. I like it. If you need to switch something, you kind of have to lift this up. So other than that, it's convenient. We make it work.
Sure.
Yeah. And then my wife was responsible for these beautiful cabinets. She made these, got some plywood and all, and took the extra cedar that we had from the ceiling and kind of just ripped pieces down and lined them up for us. Got all of our drawers so we can have our spots to cram all of our necessities for cooking in there.
Right.
I really like how we left the live edge on the countertop. We were trying to implement that, and it kind of left us perfect where we can come up to our sink here, do some dishes, and still have some like nice breeze and stuff while we're here. And
now when you're traveling, do you have to take all this down?
Yeah, it goes in the pantry.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
Believe it or not, it does fit.
Yeah,
all
right
in
now
there.
everything's moved forward, but we push everything to the back, and then this goes up
So it's a
there.
process, but it takes us anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes maybe. If we're both on it, maybe 10 minutes, and we can be packed up in and out, ready to hit the road somewhere.
I've seen a couple buses that took the vinyl covered shelving and put it above their sink, and that's where all their plates are. I did that way back in my farmhouse.
Yeah.
That's
and
genius.
Yeah.
They stay there, they're protected, and they drip into the sink. And
oh yeah, yeah.
So
that's nice.
That'd be a good idea then. That's what we love about living this way too, is if we build something that's not as practical as we thought, we can just change it around and make something else work, you know, like improve things as we go.
I've been on the road 5 years, and last spring I changed a lot of the inside of my bus, the back half of my bus. Always, Skoolies aren't done. They're done-ish.
Yeah, that's very true.
So,
I used to say when I finish this thing, and then I stopped saying that, because there's always going to be something improved, like you said.
Yeah.
I made reference to my next bus, and my son's reaction was, "You just finished that one." Yeah, I know, but I've been touring other people's buses. I got ideas.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet. It must spark so much, and as much as you do, you know, go around and get this content and your time to share it, like, you must have so much more ideas bringing out, and
Yep.
I would be excited to see next bus you're working on and how that comes out.
This is going to be our daughter's bed. Right now it is our closet.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's very full. But
we stuff it in with rocks and cool stuff we find, carvings, clothes, whatever we use as a closet for now. I'm going to cut these bottoms out and make some drawers, and then we can kind of store all of our stuff in there.
Well, like the last bus I did, they had the clam and rocks for the kids to get up to their bed. It's a great idea.
Nice.
Yep.
It makes it nice, and then it's something fun just to like, it's convenient sometimes with friends. You can hang like a jacket if you have a lot of folks over.
Sure.
We have a small jacket rack, so we run out of like 4 jackets you can't hold anymore. Cold areas, people start hanging them.
Sure.
I like that about, you know, about bus life is you can have so many uses out of one thing, you know. It's nice.
You want to show them the bathroom?
Yeah, sure. So my wife, with her line of work, she is a flight attendant, and she wanted a big, nice bathroom where she can get ready.
Yeah, get showered.
You know, get showered and get stuff ready pretty easily when she goes into work and stuff and commute. So we tried to make this one big, and just pretty much did a wet bath so we can have our composting toilet in the back here, vented out. I have a little like hatch just to get some fresh, you know, ventilation air in here when I want. And then this one can be lifted up and used, but it's all silicone and it's stainless steel behind it, and big plate on the floor underneath this that I brought up and wrapped on the edges on a brake, so corners are welded. It can hold water, so I don't have to worry about really any leaks.
Yeah, if you're on a little bit of a slant.
Absolutely, a slant. And then to help with the drainage, I figured instead of trying to slope the whole floor and all of that, it would be better just do the drain across like so, and then you can just squeegee it over.
Or as soon as you start to
driving, my opinion is driving in a bus, you're gonna get most of that water out pretty quick.
So mine is at some point.
Yeah.
So
nice. So yeah, you know, some folks ask us like, wow, that's big. Did you need all of it? It's like, no, but it's nice to have. You know, it's a good relaxing spot when you go take a shower to not feel cramped.
Yeah, you can have a nice, too tight a shower.
And then, exactly, it's our bed. Underneath it we have, I think it's about 75 gallons of fresh water. And keep that inside so we don't have to worry so much about freezing or harsh temperatures.
Now, how much solar do you have?
I have 1,000 watts of solar.
Okay.
I have an 80 amp charge controller over there, but my battery bank is just 4 of the Trojan, I think they're T105s, 6-volt deep cell like golf cart batteries. And I just did 4 6-volts in like a parallel series, and it works for us. We run our espresso maker, the Instapot, air fryer and stuff. As long as it's sun's up, you know, we can get it done. The bank works well, and we don't use a lot of electric, so I like how it works for us. No generator anymore. That's beautiful. And I think I spent $200 on the solar, so we got a good deal on it.
That's not bad at all.
No.
All right, now if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, ask questions, do you have any social media presence?
Oh, it's Momo_bus on Instagram.
You're safe over here, buddy.
So MOMO_BUS. That'd be Instagram, and then
we have a TikTok.
We have a TikTok.
It's Momo Bus 1.
Momo Bus 1, and we kind of we don't put a lot up there, but what we do put up, you know, for friends and folks to see and stuff. We enjoy doing stuff.
I think she's heard that a few times.
Oh yeah, and this is Willow. Willow, do you want to say hey to everyone real quick for the video? Just tell them your name.
Hello, thank you for the tour. I like your bus.
And can you tell them how to find us on Instagram? Well, tell the camera how to find us on Instagram.
So, write down Momo_bus.
All right, thank you.
And that's how you find us.
All right.
And make sure you write down with black mountains. Momo_bus.